Alright, good way to start my week off. Hey, my batteries are completely dead. I only get one dome light coming on. Try to go to the dealer, replace these. About to pull the negative cables first. Negative is on the outside. Positive is all on the inside. Slide this bad boy out. All batteries, let's go switch them out. Got the new batteries at the Freightliner. Alright, see it's daylight out here now. But, little tip, leave these little plastic caps on the batteries until you get them all in. That way, less chance of the cables connecting and sparking. Just connected up 2 batteries. Those still disconnected, but we have power. Alright, and everything connected. Truck is running, and we're charging at 14 volts. So, let that air up, and then I start loading up.